2008 engine rebuild.
Engine removed.
110 cubic inch CVO engine removal.
Why is it being removed?
It's being removed because the oil pressure gauge line came off right here. This little line came off, and I blew all my oil out on the freeway. When I stopped, when I pulled it over, it just was empty in the tank.
Gotta get the important things. Shoot my feet.
Why is that important? Your feet? Oh,
Got my
for
safety shoes
first.
on.
I got boots on.
You got boots
Okay.
on. Safety first, right?
That's right.
5,500 miles on this motorcycle. 2008. Huh?
Week?
That total.
That's
Total.
worse than my bike, man. I blew my 6-speed up. My 6-speed in my 2008 in 22,000 miles.
Really?
Harley said, "Hey, you gonna fix this? Because this doesn't seem right." And he went, "You got an extended warranty?" I said, "No." And they said, "Well, you're shit out of luck. Too bad, so sad."
Now, how long would it live if I was riding it, Fred?
Well, it probably would. I suspect I burned it up as quick as you would have.
Sorry, dog.
22,000 miles, man. When I was not happy.
And it was,
But-
what caused that one to blow up?
Do you think the crank would make it the first block when we ride?
What caused it to blow up? They made a piece of crap transmission.
Spark plugs don't look too bad.
That is, it's got a,
It ran. It was running good.
Videotape.
No.
it had has a notorious reputation for blowing out the final drive main gear bearing.
Yeah.
Notorious, as in it happens all the time. I'm doing this basic crap like pulling air filters off.
Oh.
Wasting time.
I knew I should have took that intake off of there for you guys. Before you started.
Yeah, I think we said that last night. Take it all.
I didn't hear that. All I heard was the gas tank and the.
Now you
And
get
the
to all those
exhaust.
stupid sensors over here.
All this crap.
How's this thing?
What's that?
Making us work.
Oh.
Got a fuel line in the way.
O2 sensors. Doesn't it all come off in one piece?
Good thing I got the special Allen wrenches for you, Lord.
Special element.
This is my own, Fred.
I don't know. If it was up your ass, you'd know where it is, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not.
Oh, that is a special one there.
We got the Bentley ones. We got the Bentley ones. They're so special around here.
Yeah, I got the zoom down now.
He's got a K&N air filter, which, by the way, you cannot buy in California anymore. You have to mark it. Although that would be original equipment on this, wouldn't it?
I believe this was a Harley Davidson one, wasn't it? Oh no, it was K&N.
If you have proof that you own a Screaming Eagle bike, you can get Screaming Eagle parts.
Oh,
It appears this Allen is metric and these bolts are American.
the custom Allen wrench.
Or the other way around.
Any oil in that in the car in the what's the thing called? Fuel injection system. There was a bunch of oil in there before when I took the air cleaner. I put the new air cleaner on it.
We have to use the American Allen now, the quarter inch Allen. It has a similar customization
Wow.
going on to it.
Let me
Now,
take
a
it
lot of
off
bikes,
there.
they have hex heads over here where you can get to them to rig the wrench.
Yeah.
But being a Harley, they don't like you doing stuff that's easy.
We having fun yet?
No. Can't even get in here.
Trying to remove the intake manifold.
No, I can't even get to it. I need a 12-point Allen.
No Torx. 12-point Allen.
Yeah, one position here, one over here. I can't get what I need.
Oh. Oh.
Can't see what I need either because it's a dark hole, but it feels like it goes right there. But you can't even get your finger in there. I have a finger extension here.
Are you having problems with
Of course,
that?
that doesn't fit in there either.
I need to take this,
Motor mount.
parts.
Got the mass air sensor.
Sense of something. Proof for the most part. Oh, I feel better now. Pizza and beer. No. No beer.
No beer. Vodka.
Pizza and vodka. No. So,
You get on my side of the bike.
I'm going back over here.
Boy, lots of wiring for intake, huh?
Do the throttle body. Throttle body.
Can I do something besides have these things go in the carburetor after when we get done?
I don't know.
Let them go down to the ground.
I don't think you can do that.
Stupid Allen wrench won't fit in these Allen.
Everything is. Everything is based on
Yeah, there it goes.
airflow and other stuff. So
God, this wrench is too long.
Oh no, really?
Need a shorter wrench. I think it's tight quarters on this bike.
I mean, it's not like good old days where you can actually get to stuff.
No, you can't get to anything on this bike. We got nothing.
It's because of the fuel injection system, huh? There you go, got it.
Good old days. We like the good old days.
You can barely see everything in there. Damn.
I can't see anything.
It's got so much wire and
You
crap
get
in
the
it.
manifold part.
It's just all feel. It won't
These
go
are
in.
freaking it.
It's a real tight fit to the Allen, so it doesn't even want to go in the hole. You hear it popping in and out every time it goes.
Or feeler freaking it.
What do you got going on over there?
Just disconnecting crap.
You get that bolt out of the top of the frame, you get threads.
A bolt out of the top of the frame. I think I could do that. I have the skill set.
You do?
Well, I think I do. I'm not guaranteeing I do. I think I
Yeah,
do.
we got the other one in there now. The front bolt is a lot easier to get to. Oh, that's nice and tight. See how tight this is?
Wow.
Are you serious? The top bolt's a 9/16? Can't be.
Yep.
Yes, it is.
You got a nut on the bottom, Fred.
I know that. I'm just testing it out. See if you're paying attention.
I wasn't.
Man, it's hot in here. You had to close the door because we're filming?
Yes. Doesn't matter, it's hot anyway.
I think you got my damn
9/16?
I need an open end, Fred.
opening 9/16.
Can't get over the compact.
Open it.
Open end.
Right here on the table.
No, it's 5/8.
Yeah.
9/16. Oh, you know you're gonna do that.
5/8?
You got my damn. I was gonna put the wrench on it, but that's okay.
We'll CRT when hurt.
Squeaky. Oh, it's squeaky.
Squeaky clean.
Close this down. Just stop moving.
Your hand's right in the way.
There you go.
Oh no, dropped it in there.
While he's doing that, I'm working on this side, doing the same. On the other hand,
On the same mount?
yeah, I'm doing the other side though.
It's more important over there. Why is this thing here?
You do the quarter drive stuff. Why'd you steal my quarter drive?
Because I think I needed it.
You needed it. I needed it. I'm actually gonna use it.
You kind of adjust the focus when you go in. It takes a second to focus in on it, though. Huh?
Yeah, it's automatic focusing. If it wants to, it might focus on this instead of me, but you know, whatever. I don't care.
Just focusing on the bolt.
Look at that. The damn magnet works great.
Did you lose something over there?
I never lose things. When I was working on my truck, I had a big damn magnet. Every time I dropped something off the steps down to the thing, it was like,
Yeah. Magnets are good to the world sometimes. Okay, that side's about off.
I suspect when we get all these
Fred's
wires-
going over here on this.
Well, we're just messing around.
Fred's over there screwing around when I'm working.
What? That's just so mean.
See, I got something accomplished. I took the mount off. Fred hasn't done that yet. Oh, now we got access to the stupid injector over here.
You can see through now.
Where'd you put the duck bills away? What are you doing?
It appears to have a lot of shit in the way right here.
Yeah, chill, man.
There you
Chill.
go.
I'm not supposed to turn that by hand.
Well, that's the factory wrench. It's what you're supposed to use.
You better put a dang.
Put a wrench on it. Don't break it.
What are you turning us? The screw on the manifold?
Yes, that's the factory tool for the manifold.
Wow.
Where's the crescent wrench?
Why don't you get the right wrench?
5/16, quarter inch.
Probably.
Hmm?
Fred doesn't know how to use 5/16. He uses crescent wrenches on everything.
Such a... That's some. I got some.
Some tight screw, huh?
Torque on that bad boy.
Oh, I see. It's that thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Now I can see what we're doing.
You gonna figure out that's like your third try? You suck at this. I could have had my.
Using small tools. Everything's 3/8 of it.
I could have used my crescent wrench already, and you're just messing with me.
I'm looking for something small like a 5/16. See, I don't want to use this one because it's cut down. I don't want to see it.
Is that like a rounded tip thing on that? Yeah, I
It's a
see.
ball.
Okay. That's what you need for
Got
that,
a
baby.
ball head to it.
Yep.
Somebody stole it. The only 5/16 I have is cut down.
So shall I use the mini crescent wrench
I
now?
found the one that was missing. And it's not even 5/16 anyway. It's quarter inch.
Damn it.
This whole time I could have had this already loose, and he's messing around.
Probably not quarter inch either.
Metric thing.
It is quarter inch.
Got it. Look at that baby turn. A perfect video.
Are you focused in?
Oh, big time. I can count the threads right now. That's out. It's out.
The last time I bring good pizza down here.
The dog got hungry, you know.
Goddamn, feeding the dog premium pizza.
Got it. Very good.
Nasty old fucking dog bone. Excuse
Hey,
me.
You're out.
Nasty old freaking dog bone.
Bobo.
What about these front ones? What are we going to do on these now?
You do
Is
both
that the
sides? Is it just this side?
Oh, that one slips out, doesn't it? It's still not. I think it's got to be moved a little bit more on this side, loosened a little more.
Pull it off, Fred. What are you waiting for?
I don't know. Pull it out.
I think they got. Are they loose enough? Yeah.
You just got to wire it at some point.
We got. What do we got going here? No, I don't see.
What's this?
Is that one hooked up to something still? That's disconnected. That's the gas line.
I don't know what this is. Some kind of sensor. There, it's got an automatic disconnect on it. There, that one's done.
Got like an O2 sensor. Or something?
Well, if you got some of the crap out of the way over here, we would have done it already.
Hey, I did my side. I did my side. Where's your side?
Well, it's hard to get good help around here.
Yeah, good high paid help. Paid price.
Quit wiggling so much.
Okay. Wiggle a little bit, not a lot.
Yeah, well, you put load on it, so put it in a different spot. I was moving it until you jiggled it. Yeah. All right, see if it'll come out now.
Want to come out, but ain't come out yet.
Get the next one over here.
The next thing.
This one you can't get to.
Is that plate hanging up? The air cleaner plate thing? No.
Just the flanges are not coming out of the bolts over here. So hard to get to anything.
That's they made them 110.
Hmm?
Shoot some out.
They made the 110 barrel so big we counted.
There you
go.
Got it.
So you got two wires underneath. You got to pull.
Yeah. Hang on, I get it. I couldn't get to it before.
Pull the top one.
You got it?
Not the white top one. I'm holding the thing down. You got to pull the wire.
Just hang on a second. What are we doing?
I'm not doing anything now.
Don't let go. Just let the frick go.
Pull the wire off.
Thank you.
Where's the dikes at?
Pair of dikes. Probably down the street here from
Yeah. Butch and Judy.
dikes. We're so funny. Oh. Oh, this thing's loose. And finally this one. Oh, down to just the cables. We're going to pull the cables or not?
Injector out of the way. That's all I care about.
That's out of the way. Maybe a zip tie that bad boy up here. There we go. The fuel injection system out of the way. All the plugs. How are we gonna figure out how to put this back together?
I don't know. I didn't take it apart.
All right, what's next?
How's them ports looking? They filthy? They're black on this rear one. Can't see it real good. It's a good smog device they have.
Smogging device.
Oh, you take the heads off in one piece?
They got some pretty damn slimy ass shit on these bolts. They're just really corroded in or something.
Probably.
Dry as
Take
hell.
those and the head bolts up.
Looking dry as hell. You see how they're galling up on the here?
No anti-seize on them?
They didn't put any lube underneath the damn bolt head when they put it in. Let's put it that way. And if they did, it's gone.
So it probably blows up if you put it there.
Come on, Fred. What's the hole up? I already got the damn bolts out this
We're gonna
side.
pull this side? We're gonna pull it.
Why is that in the way?
Where's that zip tie at?
Why don't you take that thing off, Fred? Why can't you get rid of that thing?
Because it's sort of stuck in here.
Stuck on what? What's the hold up over there?
The zip ties. Hey, you know what? Give me a knife and get the zip ties.
My knife ain't gonna do squat. Here it does.
I don't have my knife.
You can't get behind it with the damn.
What are you trying to get rid of?
Trying to get that out of there.
What? Why don't you just pull the damn wire off?
It's not a wire. It's this right here. It's zip tied in.
Well, take the cables off like any bike.
Yeah, what did I say about 10 minutes ago? We gonna pull the cables off this bad boy or not?
All the crusher wrenches up, Fred.
There's one over here, a large one.
No, there's two smaller ones and balls.
Here's a small one right here.
There's one of them. Oh yeah, you gotta go up here and you gotta pull the nut off.
Come on, focus. Put some slack in those throttle cables now.
Put the slackness around
Then
the
you pull
cables.
the throttle cables off.
So we can get the whole
I just said that
fuel
earlier.
injection system out
Didn't
of the
I say
way.
that earlier? Didn't I say let's take the throttle cables off? Didn't I say we need to pull the throttle cable off?
Just get it out of the way. Just get it out of the way.
Yeah. What's going on with this?
Watch your eyes.
It's only CRC, ain't gonna hurt your eyes any.
No? Chlorofluorocarbons?
Maybe. Those don't hurt, do they?
They're not flammable. I'm really surprised the way this stuff smells.
It's made for food processing, so it's gotta be good for you.
Food processing. We used to use the phone company for cleaning the grease off the telephone cables they have.
Oh, these things are all corroded. Where did this pipe come from?
Florida?
It's only
New York via
5,000
Florida
miles.
first. They work good. They're just dry, I guess, huh?
They're dry, all right.
Is that tape hanging them up a little bit? Or is it, no?
I'm undoing the other side. The problem is the whole thing is moving. Yeah, it's kind of moving.
There we go. Hang on.
Oh, those things are just dry as a bone in there.
There we go. Hang on. Don't do anything else. Don't do anything else.
Don't worry, they're all corroded.
All right. Never mind. Do one thing.
I'll take them off and we'll lube them in between here. Is this bike gonna go back home tonight?
In pieces if you want.
Well, let me get the chassis out of the way. You're a little bit large on your channel lock there.
Is that thing not coming out?
Man, I can't believe, really? They're that tight, huh?
It's rusted solid. Yeah, that thing's not even moving.
Yeah.
Must be the cable that's not moving out of the way. Here, hang on. Got it.
Supposed to just go and do it by hand, but
I'll be sure and get some lubed up before you reassemble things.
yeah, they're gonna have to be soaked up there. Besides soaked in water.
Maybe salt water, probably.
Yeah, I'm sure that has something to do with it too.
There you go.
Is it moving at all yet, Fred?
Yeah, the point being is it's loose now. Don't you think?
That's all rolling up too.
I bet Harley charges a mint for those cables too. Huh? Braided steel cables, they probably get extra money for that.
Oh yeah. Where are we at here?
Just pop it out. Gotta pop the little ball out. You see it?
Your hands in wetness.
I can see it. Actually, it's right here.
You got it.
There you go. Throw it in the door in the back. Get out of the way.
I think the sun's probably down far enough. What are you doing? What are you doing here? I'm just messing with you.
I was gonna set that out of the way.
Oh, now we get some
Okay, here we go.
Sunny San Diego.
Intake system's off.
And not sweat our.
All right, take a break.
Take a break. Close it. Just close it. No, just.